Hey guys, Tony here with Nothin But Car Reviews, bringing you another product review here. This is going to be Seicane's 11.26-inch wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Wi-Fi recorder. So you've seen I reviewed a few of these in the past, mostly from CarPlay, but what makes this one pretty neat is this one actually goes in the place of where your rear view mirror is. So you not only get the capability of having this replace that, but you get the wireless capability for the CarPlay Android Auto. This actually has a front camera as well as a backup camera you can wire, so that's pretty neat. And you just get a bunch of other functions with it as well. So let's just go ahead and open her up. So that's the box it comes in. The unit's there, and then behind this, we have all the cords, a few brackets here, and then this aux cable, the backup camera itself, so you have to wire that in and all that. Then you have the power cord and the instruction manual there. So what I'm gonna do is just take this out. I haven't fooled with it, so I have no idea what to expect. So we're gonna take this out. I like how protected it is, but interesting wrapper. But where it goes in the spot of the rear view mirror, I guess these are kind of mounting holes or whatever it is, but have a little protective film there. So since I'm in the house, I'm just gonna show you how it works before I actually put everything in the car I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna use my Bouge RV power station here and just kind of power it up, and you all can kind of see what I'm working with, and I'll kind of walk through all the features of it. So I'm gonna cut this on. We're gonna plug up cigarette lighter into this. So there it is lighting up there. And it has a very small power draw. I can see that because my power station kind of tells how much of a draw there is on it. It tells you on the cigarette lighter as well, so you can expect it to pull about 5 watts, but everything's touchscreen, pretty cool. And then you have that DVR setting as well, so you can go in there and then you have the view of the front camera. And where my hand's in the way, when I take it off, you can see you have that view right there. And the camera itself is actually right here. So now that I know that, I can get my hand out the way. But I mean, pretty good picture, honestly, for a front view camera that's integrated in the actual system. And the interface here is very easy to use. You have CarPlay, Android Auto, the playback of the video. It's very simple. And what's really cool about this is you have FM, the aux, the Bluetooth. You can play through the speaker, and this is under $100. So pretty good deal there. Very good, actually. And it's just something where, like, you can have the stock look of your old radio, or even like me, I have an old 84 Winnebago, and I can just put that where the mirror goes, run a backup camera, and then literally it's a modern vehicle with just one hookup. But a lot of cool features here. You have the reverse line calibration you can fool with, 18 different languages, so that's a big deal. Just being able to go between Spanish, English, a few others, and then you can even fool with the record resolution as well. So if you want to dial back how good the picture is to get more on the memory card, you can. Speaking of which, 128 gigabytes max memory card capability here, which is huge. So you can record for hours on end using your front camera. And they actually have a 24-hour, what is it? It's like almost like a detection. So you can, it's kind of like the Tesla. So if someone's walking in front of you in the car or whatever, it can record everything. So you can see if somebody keys your car, or if they try to rob you or whatever, you get all that on video. So really neat system here. And that's pretty much the makeup of it. You have the aux input right in there. And then you have the SD card, the micro SD card slot right there. And then your audio video cable right there to hook to that backup camera. And then you have a power button right down there, so you can use all of that. But again, uses low power, so you never have to worry about it draining your battery or anything like that. Obviously it can, but not as quickly as you would expect because it's very low usage for a system that does so much. And again, for the price, you can't beat it. Having a rear camera turn into a dash cam and then have all the features for the audio system as well. And then you can just run an aux here to your radio, or if you have an aftermarket radio, what I like to do is use this for the CarPlay Android Auto and then play the Bluetooth audio through my radio. So it's kind of a weird setup, but it can be done. But I mean, it's a pretty cool system. So I want to thank Seicane for allowing me to review this today. I'll leave a link below in the description. Go ahead and save you some money down there. And again, it's under $100, so you really don't have to. But fantastic product here. Highly recommend if you're trying to get a wireless CarPlay Android Auto system for under $100. Something that's small and won't necessarily take up a lot of room on your dash. It just goes over your rear view mirror and it'll get you going. So, all right, so I have this thing hooked up in my 1984 Winnebago, so it's definitely going to come in handy in this old of a vehicle. To secure it to the actual mirror, you just take this here and you kind of just put the top of it there, and then you loop it around both mirrors to secure it on the bottom there. And then that actually keeps this attached to where the normal rear view mirror is. But love the setup here, and I can't even tell that I have another mirror behind it. It looks so good. So again, you get your wireless CarPlay Android Auto, the DVR, and where that camera's able to slide out, and then you can adjust it. You can really get that angle that you want. But then on top of that, I mean, just being able to take the picture, record, just play everything back. Very easy to get to that without having to take the memory card out and this, that, and the other. And then brightness, of course, and then your settings in here. So, I mean, this is going to be so awesome in my vehicle, especially because this does have an aftermarket radio in it. So I'll just be able to plug in that aux cord that's included into the input there, and then use this as kind of a wireless CarPlay Android Auto system while still being able to adjust my volume here, because I can't even hook up my USB or my Bluetooth on here because it's an old aftermarket radio. So this is really just come in handy big time. So I want to give one more thanks to Seicane for allowing me to review this unit today. Again, I think it might have gone back up. I got it pretty cheap, but they have sales, and then there's a link in the description to get a discount on it as well. So to get this at least around $100 is going to be awesome, especially if you have an older vehicle that just has an aux input and you just want to run that in there and just keep going without having to install a whole new radio. But with all that being said, thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.